Hi everyone and welcome to my next at-home creative fun video. Today we're going to be creating something really simple but also really effective and really fun. We are going to be copying a technique known as pointillism. So that's an art technique and it's really simple. It's just using color and dots to create an artwork. The artwork we'll be creating today is silhouette based, so it's really simple. Pretty much any age can achieve this. And here is one example up the front, but this one is my favorite. So this one is very colorful, nice and bright. It's a silhouette of a cross, but that's really effective, and that's what we'll be doing today. Okay, so these are the things that you're going to need for today. You are definitely going to need paint. You can choose as many colors as you like. You can mix as much as you like, but I'm just going to stick with 3 for today. You are going to need scissors. We'll be doing a little bit of cutting today. You will need a lead pencil. You are going to need card. So this is obviously thicker paper. Card will work best because this is going to be our silhouettes. You can use normal cardboard if you don't have any card paper, but this is a good thickness. You can use regular A4 paper, that's what I've been using today. You are going to need cotton buds and a little bit of blue tack if you have any. And that is all you're going to need for today. Okay, so the very first thing you're going to do is you are going to get your card and you are going to create your shape. So in one of the examples I previously have done, I had my card and I cut out my heart shape. And what I did is I put my heart shape down and I placed dots around that silhouette. You can obviously invert it and you can have it the other way around if you wanted to. But for this particular example, I'm going to have a go at creating a star. So what is the simplest way to cut out and create an even shape is to obviously fold your card in half. So do that first. Alright, once you've done that, you are going to draw your image. So I'm going to go with a star. So I'm going to have the top of the star here and then its little legs. However, if you go with a love heart or a cross or anything else, obviously whatever you draw on this side will be implemented on the other side as well. Okay, so once you've drawn your image, you are going to cut it out. Okay, so I'm just going to fix up my star shape a little bit. I'm not entirely happy with it. I really like this bottom part, but I don't like the top. So feel free to clean up your silhouette. That's a lot better. Okay, so like I said before, you can have a silhouette down on your page or you can invert it. But for my example, I'm going to have a simple silhouette. So this is when the blue tack comes in handy because you are going to want your silhouette to be say in the middle of your page, and you don't want it to be flicking up or moving around. So get a little bit of Blu Tack, and you are just going to very gently place your silhouette down onto your page. Okay, so once that's happened, that's not going anywhere. Okay, another thing, you might want to do the same for your your canvas as well, because before when I was doing this practice, I had some issues with the page lifting up as I was creating my dots, and it smudged my dots. I didn't like that. Okay, too easy. So once you have everything pinned down and you're happy with it, you're just going to go ahead and start painting. So this is when your cotton buds are going to come in handy. Cotton buds, I did experiment with a few other things. You can use more than just cotton buds, depending on the size of the dot that you like. However, I found these ones to be the most effective. Colors I have gone with are I've had some fun with some fluoro paint today. But obviously you can choose whatever you like. But I'm going to go with 3 colors, and I think I might make mine a little bit random. So what you're going to do now is you are going to dip your cotton bud into the paint, and you are going to start creating dots onto your page. Now the key to having a nice silhouette is making sure that you have a dot that goes straight over the top of both. Okay, because then what's going to happen when you lift up your silhouette, you are going to have a nice crisp line around the edges. That's really important to make it really stand out. Okay, so you just keep doing that, as so every time you use a different color, definitely get another cotton bud and continue on. Okay, so once you've done and you've created your pattern with your dots and everything, you are going to have to let it dry. However, I do advise that just before you do that, if you are using regular A4 paper, try your best to peel off this silhouette before it completely dries, because some of these little dots here that are going to help to create our shape or our silhouette, once they dry, if they dry to this card and the paper, when you go to peel it off, it's going to tear. So you might need an adult to help you at this point. But just before it fully sets, you are going to want to try to peel off your card. Okay, so you just really gently, you can just grab the edges. Don't worry, there's a bit of Blu Tack left over. That's much easier to fix rather than having tears. All right, so there you go. So you take that off, you put that away, and you are just going to let it dry, and you can already see that beautiful silhouette there that has been created from the dots going around the card. And it's just really fun. You can write in here, you can keep it the way it is. It's just a really therapeutic, enjoyable craft. So I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure that you follow me on social media or subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of this at-home creative fun. I would love to see what you have created by following my tutorials, so find me on Facebook and share what you have made.